Welcome to Matt's Garage. We are going to take off the dash today. Trickiest part of this for me is these screws underneath that you have to flip the windshield forward to get to, basically, because they're all kind of rusty. I sprayed them last night, gave them a good whack with the hammer with the penetrating fluid, whack with the hammer, hit them again this morning. So we're gonna do a technique I call maximum torque. You gotta put like constant pressure against it while you apply torque. And I use a breaker bar and just like an extension with the Phillips bit rather. And yeah, that's it. And it'll either break it off or break it loose. Okay, it doesn't seem to be coming loose here. So once I get it to the point where it's moving, I can do it with the screwdriver later, but let's see. That one's going. This is probably the worst one here. So in this case, I might have to employ some vice grips on that one. No, that one's camming out. Come on, come on. Don't cam out. No, that one's not going. Oh, it started going and then it gave up. That one started too. All right, this one did not though. Give those two a whole whack. Where's that one? That was this one. The trick with vice grips on this is getting an angle for the thing to bite on, but turned. Oh yeah. There's always one. Hopefully there's just one. Let's see. Yeah, it's important to really get the penetrant on there. You can see it going in about 2 threads deep. So, I don't know if it actually works, but it makes me feel better to think it does. Oh. I don't know if it was the banging or what, but she's coming. Keep it clean, boys. Working our way down, I got to do the collar that kind of goes up under the steering wheel here. Okay. So I bag and tag everything, but I don't do it immediately, so I'll just like put these parts somewhere next to each other. And we're gonna do these 7/16 bolts on the little ears on either side. Strip immediately. I should have done maximum torque, because what's happened is I've broken the backing off of this, so I'll have to cut the bolt off to get to whatever clip in the back is not. I did spray the back of this, so just those stupid clips, they just don't. Yeah, I think I broke that one too. Yeah. Oh, that broke the head off, so no need to worry about that one. this in there, so it needs to come. Oh, I haven't. So stupid. Fast forward 10, 11 days, I don't know. Just got back from a road trip to LA to go see some family. Ended up meeting a subscriber down in LA who actually is in the same town I grew up in. He has a 71. Here's a couple photos I'd post on Instagram. Pretty sweet setup. He's had it a long time since he was a kid. And he gave me a couple of original Ford key blanks. So once I get my ignition tumbler and door tumbler in, I can cut these keys, original Ford key blanks made in the USA. And then while I was gone, I ordered parts from Tom's Off-Road on Friday, and those came in this box right here Sunday. Ordered Friday, came to the house on Sunday. So super fast shipping. And one of the tools that's in there, and I'll do an unboxing of that, or I'll show you the stuff I got eventually, episode by episode. But I got one of the bezel tools here for getting these knobs off, which is like impossible to do without them. Or maybe it's not impossible, but it's less fun. So I believe where we were was, I need to cut this bolt so I can get this out. Just before I cut this off, I wanted to loosen the steering column so I could move it, you know. Anyway, so I took this collar off, and it's packed with all this pookie, like it looks like pookie, like HVAC stuff. It's black and soft. Is this factory? I don't. It doesn't feel factory. I'm just using progressively longer drill bits until I basically drill the head off. And then we're good to go. There you go. All right. So that's done. It's like pivoting almost. Is that it? Just one tiny screw? Yeah, just that one screw. That's so stupid. Anyway, that's loose. That's good. Oh, question for you guys. What holds this this in to the stock? Because this was pulled out, the shifter. You know, is it just a cotter pin, or not a cotter pin, a roll pin? I've been meaning to ask you guys. There you go. Oh, the whole assembly comes out. Great. I was just going through and see what's giving tension. Right now it's the high beam switch. Okay, high beam switch is removed and loosened. So these go bad. Places. No way. Alright, I'm gonna do the other side. The two vents have like a little screw holding them in. That's off now. Okay. It should just be having me hung up on the wiring harness. It's good. Oh, she's free. She's free. All right. Wardrobe change. It's days later. Weeks? Days. Days later. That's how these things go. So I'm just going to put this away. I'm doing something on this. It's another time. What's happening? Now we're going to take the glass out of the windshield. I meant to do this earlier. I can't remember why I didn't, but I like to take the glass out because it lessens the chance of breaking a expensive thing here. Then I take a painter's knife and I just kind of break this seal all along the edge. The problem is they put a lot of RTV or silicone or something here, which is unusual. God. Put this glue here. Ugh. All right. Whew. too bad. All right, now I'm gonna take these vacuum wipers off. Oh, there's a grommet. Okay. Now, one change they made after 66 was, I'm sorry, I can't hear over that. The windshield frames used to be bolted in. There's these through bolts that go in under the cowl here. The frame itself has these little indents to take up that space of the bolt head. Oh, that's two. That's it. And there's another gasket, which again doesn't exist in the post-66 world there. It's really thin though. I don't know if Tom's makes these. Yeah. Brake pedals are out. Woo! So because I'm running automatic, I obviously don't need this clutch pedal. That is in pretty good shape actually. Just needs some love, but really savable. I might have a little bit of repairs to do here, but this is a flat panel, so it's not the biggest deal in the world. Just on the edge too, it's right there. That is the dash windshield cowl disassembly method procedure protocol. Matt's Garage approved. This is the second time I've done this in my life. I'm not even gonna say it's the last because you never know. But that's done. I'm gonna take the tailgate apart and all that, and then take the tanks out, which are brand new, which is great. I don't think I'm gonna run an auxiliary tank. The 66s never had them. So I'm probably gonna fill this hole, try to straighten out the fender, get the floors in. So the only metal work on this so far is the floors, that little bit of rust repair on the cowl, try to straighten out the quarter panels. If the quarter panels don't cooperate, I'll have to order new ones, but you know, let's hope. And then we keep going with this thing. It's going well. It's going well. So we'll see you next time on Matt's Garage.